and butterflies to bears and beavers, the beauty and diversity of wildlife is all around us. Good morning, everyone. Today, as we begin with the first week of October, we also begin with National Wildlife Week. National Wildlife Week is a time to celebrate and conserve our nation's incredible wildlife. Let us know more about wildlife from Palak.
Good morning everyone. This is Palak Pandey from 7th B. Today I am going to tell you some information about the Wildlife Conservation Week.
National Wildlife Week. Wildlife Week is celebrated every year in the first week of October. It was first celebrated in the year 1952 and was an initiative of the Indian Board of Wildlife, that is IBWL, which also came into being that very same year. The idea behind both celebrating the National Wildlife Week and the establishment of the board itself is one and the same: to arouse public consciousness about the significance of wildlife preservation. Hence, during Wildlife Week, various institutions like schools and colleges, various state forest departments, and staff in protected areas like sanctuaries and national parks all over the country commemorate Wildlife Week by spreading awareness. We at DSK envision a world in which people and nature thrive. But we'll only get there if we all play a role. We'll only get there if we work together. Let's create a world in which people live in harmony with nature. If we care, only then we can be a conservationist. Thank you.
I always used to wonder, these environmentalists, conservationists, they always say save tigers, save honeybees. But how are those creatures important to us? Or how are we even connected?
Do you know, when we save wildlife, we save ourselves? Say, if we try to conserve honeybees, that means we ensure pollination and thereby good crops and enough food for all of us. Similarly, saving tigers is going to control the lower members of the food chain, which, if grown uncontrollable, can cause destruction of crops. No crops, no food.
It means all living beings, big or small, are connected. Any member of the ecosystem gets disturbed, the whole ecosystem gets disturbed. Of course, it won't spare human beings. As we have the right to live, they have the same. As we have emotions, they do have the same. This beautiful video will surely ascertain the connection between us, you and the wild.
If we look deeply, really deeply, under our skin, inside our hearts, inside ourselves, there is another story. The story of all of us. It's where we began. Every emotion makes your heart skip a beat. Happiness, jealousy, anger, sorrow, passion, destruction, desire. You are the wild. You are the howls that haunt every full moon. You are the roar of a tiger, calls of a mena, thunderous beauty of lightning, and the fragrance of wildflowers. You are the rushing river. You are the urgency of the wind, the cry of an animal in pain, the gushing of a waterfall. Your home lies under a million stars. It lies in caves, in thunderstorms, under trees 1,000 centuries old. Your home is the wild. No walls or windows or cities shall ever take away the unruliness of your breath and the wilderness of your soul. That home is within you and me. That forest is you. That forest is me.